Wow, this is a very small leak. Benji! Our basement flooded.
Really is the greatest gift.
She ain't got no money in the bank.
Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit.
I got friends and you got friends. They hop out and you hop in. The world buzzing.
So it is Vlogmas Day 2. It is December 2nd. So I was supposed to start today for my ship shop, but our basement flooded. Sorry about the lighting. Let me open up some curtains. Okay, better lighting. Anyway, so our basement flooded, so I'm about to help my dad move some boxes and everything. Yeah, so that's what's on the agenda right now. Yeah, so I know we did not decorate the tree yesterday due to me not understanding this whole Vlogmas. Your girl didn't get done until about 12 something of editing, so I was able to, I edited everything in one day, and that has never happened in my life. So that was very stressful. Yeah, so y'all should definitely go check that out because I stayed up for a very long time. Today I'll figure out a different strategy. Probably later on decorate the tree since we didn't do that yesterday. Yeah, all right. I'm not gonna show you guys the basement because I'll get yelled at and ain't nobody got time for that. No, I'll see y'all in a few. Taking a quick break, eating some Lucky Charms. Yeah. Alright, so it is, what time is it? 12:11 right now. So my dad is still working on it. I've done as much as I can to help, and now it's time to eat and relax. Okay, I'm probably going to watch some YouTube like usual and probably start editing this video because I'm not about to stay up until 1 o'clock again. That's dead. Hi, I would like to get the daily double with leaf lettuce instead of the shredded.
McChicken with leaf lettuce instead of the shredded.
Daily double with leaf lettuce instead of shredded, and no onions. And can I have the sesame bun instead of the regular bun, please?
Anything else?
And a small fry. That'll be all.
Alright, one daily double, no onions, no leaf lettuce, that's definitely fine. That's all right,
Thank you. I was getting tired of Thanksgiving food, y'all. I'm sorry. And you probably watched my first one and you're just like, you just had some good healthy vegan desserts. Yeah, see, the vegan food is not just down the street from my house like McDonald's is, you know. Sorry if I look rough. You know, I'm not getting out the car, so I do not care. Comment down below what you guys like from McDonald's. They used to have this burger that was called Big and Tasty that had like lettuce, leaf lettuce, tomato, mayo, and ketchup. And so that's kind of what the daily double is. Instead of, it comes with shredded, and I don't like shredded lettuce because I'm just a picky person, and it's just a, you know, it's just easy just to ask them. Oops, wrong window.
Have a great rest of your day, honey.
Thank you too. I'm definitely gonna have to check this burger first. Thank you. All right, pulling up like right here. Okay, let's see. Let's check. Wow, this is a very small leaf. Stingy. Stingy. Are we now? Just stingy. Because honestly, I've been home all day and I do not feel like being at home. Let's see, where should I go? You know what? We're just gonna park. Where's this person going? You know, I'm just gonna let this person go. I already knew. Here you go. No problem. I already saw you already trying to cut through all the cars and everything. You ain't about to hit me today. New scenery. Look at this. But they weren't stingy on the tomatoes though, huh? Crazy. I feel like I'm always eating in vlogs now. That's what I'm gonna be doing most of the time, is eating. I'm sorry. Me and my dad are still gonna be decorating. It's just right now, him and my mom are doing a deep clean downstairs in the basement due to our basement flooding, of course. That was awesome. Yay. I should have asked for a cup of water when I knew I wasn't gonna go home right away. I can't wait for my birthday, you guys. Well, I guess I can't wait until December 7th when me and Bree got our event that you guys will be seeing, because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing on my birthday yet. So, oh, and the battery is flashing. Great. Awesome. I really hope I get the Canon M50 for vlogging, because this big camera, this Canon EOS Rebel T5i, is way too big. I hope my dad's in the mood to decorate the tree soon. Even though he's doing a lot of cleaning with my mom right now, so I don't know. I just hope. Alright, I'll see you at the house. We are finally going to decorate the tree.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. In one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved it as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
And at that very moment, you know without a doubt, it's not the gifts or toys you get. That's not what it's about. So now you know, and as you sleep, the snowflakes start to fall, that love and kindness really is the greatest gift of all.
Yeah.